Hi, my name is Joe Bonchek. I'm a physical therapist. I graduated from Stockton University in 1997. My partner Pete Scordo and I started our company, Spectrum Fitness and Rehabilitation, in 2002, so we're coming up on 16 years. And the main reason I got into physical therapy is I wanted to help people. Initially, I thought I wanted to work for sports teams and help athletes get back on the field. But when I started some different affiliations, I found out that I really loved working with the geriatric population. So I really enjoyed working with older folks and helping them get back to their independence in their lives, keeping them in their homes longer, helping them get back to work if that's still what they do. And then as that advanced, I did start working with students and athletes, college athletes, getting them back on the field. So I have gone full circle and worked in all those different settings. Now I run two different outpatient offices, one in Northfield, one in Turnersville, and I also see folks in assisted living facilities, adult medical daycares, and also in their homes, mostly after like joint replacements. We work in close contact with some of the local orthopedic doctors in the area. So when they shower our facility, we have them observe us contacting with patients, interviewing them, evaluating, stretching their joints, helping them manage their pain, educating them on safer ways to walk and do things around the house, like cooking, cleaning, whatever it might be. And then the students will, at the end of our session, I'll ask them if they have any questions, and we'll review any areas that they're not sure about. And we also help the students with getting ideas on what school they might want to attend, helping them get their resume up to speed. So whether it's volunteer hours or other experiences where they could possibly shadow in other facilities, different settings, the school settings, again, assisted living, outpatient, hospital, rehab, whatever it might be. So we can help them with that sort of thing and help them write their resumes, possibly things that they want to make sure they include in their resumes. Skill sets that these schools are looking for. They want people that can solve problems on the go, that are they can think on their feet. They obviously have to have compassion and want to help people get better. That's a major point of what we do, helping people get back on their feet and get back to work, possibly get back to a sport, whatever it might be.